This week, I'm going to be installing a new head unit. What I have is a Pioneer piece. It's very nice because it has a customizable EQ. It does have a couple of preset EQs, but you can also customize yours for different frequencies and have different responses in those frequencies. Let's get into it. Hold up. The car needs a little love, so I'm going to give it a wipe down before I do anything. Well, even the simplest jobs have something. This is supposed to be a Phillips head. As you can tell, it's not anymore. So I'm going to be trying to go around the back of the bolt and maybe use some pliers to unscrew that. If that doesn't work, I don't know, maybe sell the car? Burn it? We'll see. And now it's time for everyone's favorite part of any project, electrical. So this was actually pretty easy. It's all color coded, so you can't really mess up. Or maybe you can, I don't know. Fortunately for me, the previous owner did not solder these connections, so all you have to do is pull this tape back to the side and untangle the wires. Now, when I put it back on, I am going to be using solder because I believe way too hard that I'm going to do this right. So. The soldering for this project was super therapeutic. It was pretty easy, and honestly, I didn't mind it at all. All right, we're back in the car. Wiring harness is done. The head unit is installed. So now it's time to test it all out. It's alive. Let's check it out. Here it is installed. Right now I'm playing some music. Let me turn that down a bit. Music can get much higher. I like the way it looks. It's less extra than the other one I had, and the other one was pretty bright sometimes. This one seems nice and tame. All right, so I do have some primary impressions of this head unit after driving it for about 45 minutes, listening to a couple different genres of music. What I found, this head unit loves to emphasize bass. In its EQ presets, most of them prioritize bass, and if that's not enough for you, it has a bass boost button. Now, for me and my car and my situation, that's not quite what I'm looking for, but what I do appreciate is the custom EQ presets. So it gives you a couple defined hertz ranges. So I think it goes as low as 200 megahertz up to about 8,000 or 12,000 megahertz. And in those ranges, I can adjust how much bass or treble or how it reacts. So that is nice, and I'm going to be trying to test that out and fine tune it. Other than that, it's a fine head unit and I like it. I do have some ideas though for some upgrades, so we'll see.